Good morning to my dear respected principal ma'am and my dear teachers and all my dear friends. Today I will give the speech on Independence Day. India independence on 15th of August 1947 from the British rule. After independence we got all our fundamental rights in our nation. Our motherland, we all should feel proud to be an Indian and admire our fortune that we took birth on land of an independent India. History History of slave India leaves everything that how our ancestors and forefathers had worked hard and suffered of the brutal behavior of Britishers. We cannot imagine by sitting here that how hard of the independence was for India from the British rule. It took sacrifice of lives of many freedom fighters and several decades of struggle from 1857 to 1947. And Indian soldier Mangal Pandey in the British force had first raised his voice against Britishers for the independence of India. Later, several great freedom fighters had struggled and spent their whole life only for getting freedom. We can never forget their sacrifice of the Bhagat Singh, Kundi Ram Bose and Chandrasekhar Azad, who had lost their lives in their early age just for fighting of their country. How can we ignore all the struggles of Netaji and Gandhiji? Gandhiji was a great Indian personality who taught Indians a big lesson of non-violence. He has the one of and only who lead India to get freedom with the help of non-violence. Finally, the result of long year ago of struggle came in front of 15th of August 1947 when India got freedom. We are so lucky that our forefathers have given us a land of peace and happy where we can sleep whole night without fear and enjoy whole day. In our school or home, our country is developing very fast in the field of technology, education, sports, finance and various other fields which were almost impossible before freedom. India India is one of the countries rich in nuclear power. We are going ahead the activity participating in the sports like Olympic, Commonwealth Games and Asian Games. We have full rights to choose our government and enjoy largest democracy in the world. Yes, we are free and have complete freedom. However, we should not understand ourselves free of responsible towards our country. As being responsible citizen of the country, we should be always ready to handle any emergency condition in our country. This is my speech. Thank you.